convert 27 base 10 to base 2. Solution. Now, the number that we are asked to convert, which is 27, we write it here, to which base? That's base 2. We put 2 here. Now we start. 27 divided by 2. What do we have? That is 13. Remainder what? Remainder 1. We continue again. We put 2 here. 13 divided by 2. We have 6. Remainder what? 1. Now, the next thing we also divide. 6 divided by 2. We have what? 3. Remainder what? That's 0. We also divide 2. That is 3 divided by 2. We have what? 1. Remainder what? 1. Now, 1 divided by 2. You can see the number we are having here now is less than what we have here. So it means 1 divided by 2 is 0. Remainder what? This number that is here, which is 1. Then, our final solution, we are going to take it from down to up. We draw an arrow. We can now conclude that what? 27 base 10 is equals to what? From down to up. We have 1, the next one, 1, the next one, 0, the next one, 1, the next one, 1. Then we need to put the base. We write base 2. That is the solution to the problem.